I had a conversation with a friend in undergraduate when I was just starting to understand biochemistry, really from a molecular perspective. And I think this conversation goes to why understanding transcription is so important. He was in law school, about to finish, and he asked me, does every cell in our bodies have the same DNA? And I had to think about it because I'm really more of a chemist, and I said, yeah, the DNA is the same in every cell. And then he asked this really interesting question that I never thought about, which was why do different cells look different then? What makes a neuron if it has the same DNA as a muscle cell or a fat cell? So why do cells look different if they have the same DNA? And the answer to that is really, it turns out that cells don't all express the same genes. They all contain the same genes, but only certain ones of them are active in one cell type or at a given moment in that time. So cells have different transcription, different usage or expression of the genes. And this can happen during development, or it can happen on a daily basis as we metabolize different things and our bodies experience different environments. For me, this was a really interesting conversation, and I hadn't really thought about these questions before. He was